I don't know, but it started.
That's nice.
Oh, text message.
This is gonna be like the boringest video ever.
Wasn't our last one like the boringest video ever? Remember? We were
Yeah.
sitting in my room at your house.
But at least we were talking about somebody.
We'll talk about somebody.
I don't know what I talk about. Anything I can see in the computer. Whatever. That's why you're this by yourself.
Look at my lip is infected, guys. Oh!
It's great.
It hurt.
Stop messing with it.
Jerk.
Ay.
My hair sucks too.
Yeah, this is quite.
Well then, I guess this one's not going on Facebook. Well then.
I just like to be doing something.
Shut up!
We can rap.
Shut up!
You can go ahead.
Got peas on my head, but don't call me a pea. Oh, I stole Eddie Millinowski for that. I need rap. I'm just gonna end this before it gets more embarrassing.
Okay.
Okay, bye.